In this video, I'm going to show you how you can animate your text on your videos using InShot app, just like this. So if you find this video helpful, I'll kindly request that you support me by liking the video and also by subscribing to this channel. Now, the first thing you need to do is to go and add your text on your video. And you can simply do this by tapping on your timeline here and then tap on text here. And then you'll get a text box where you can now proceed and add your text. Once your text has been added, it is time to go ahead and style it. And for this case, we want to animate it. For my case, I have this text, and to animate it, it is quite simple. Just go ahead and tap on the text here, and then you will see this pencil icon. This will give you an option to make changes to your text on your InShot video. So if I go ahead and tap on that pencil, we have quite a number of changes that we can add on our text here. And among them is this animation feature, which is the last one here. So if I go ahead and tap on it, I'll get various aspects of animation that I can add. As you can see, if I add this, it will animate my text. However, I like my animation to be in a loop, and I'll also like to change this style. For that, I'll tap on loop, and then from loop here, I'll go ahead and choose a style that I so wish. So if I want it to be mimicking the movement in this dance, I'll go ahead and choose this. So you can choose quite a number of styles. We have here quite a number of styles that you can choose from. By choosing loop, it means that this animation will play from the beginning to the end of your video or the text length. So I'll choose this and then tap on this mark to save the changes. Again, I'll tap on it. Now when I go back to my timeline and play the video, you can see the animation has been added to my text from the beginning to the end. So that's how you animate your text on videos using InShot video editor. If you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, please like this video and also subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching, and let's meet in the next video.